Every January, Florida Highway Patrol reminds drivers about the Move Over law, which requires you to move over one lane when you see any car with their hazard lights on the side of the road. Yasmin Julmis has more on what state leaders are doing to increase awareness about the law.
Some Florida residents are familiar with the state's Move Over law.
I believe it's for any disabled vehicle or, first responders.
That's important. I've had to change the tire on the side of the highway before. It's not fun.
But state transportation leaders want to make sure all Florida drivers are aware of the rule. The Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles, FDOT, and other organizations have launched a month-long campaign to educate the public about the law, which requires you to move over a lane anytime you see a car pulled over to the side of the road with its hazards on, or to slow down by 20 miles per hour less than the posted speed limit passing a disabled vehicle on a two-way road. As part of the campaign, FHP troopers will talk about the law with drivers while on patrol. The return of the yearly initiative comes as a 28-year-old road ranger was killed while responding to a crash in Broward County on New Year's Day. Although the exact cause of the crash is unknown since the investigation is still underway, statistics show how important the Move Over law is. There were more than 14,000 Move Over citations issued in 2023. That number went up by more than 2,500 in 2024 when the law was expanded from first responders' vehicles to all disabled cars with their hazards on. AAA, another partner in the campaign, recently partnered with GPS systems Waze and Google Maps to alert drivers when they're approaching a roadside technician, estimating that across the country, 2 emergency responders are killed every month. The Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles says they're not only raising awareness about the Move Over law this month, but year-round with new and young drivers by including information about the law in the Florida Driver Handbook and questions on the driver knowledge exam. In Palm Beach County, Yasmin Julmis, WPBF 25 News.